All right. So, hey, thanks for the email. I do appreciate it. Let's see if I can't go and help you kind of get a sense of what people are working on today. So, in essence, we are continuing this Google STEM Week menu. And so I hope you noticed that, and I'll try and zoom in on my screen a little bit here to kind of help you a little bit. This is still week 6, day 2 through 4. And the assignment you'll notice here, you want to click on the Google STEM Week menu, which we've already seen before. So I'll jump to the menu. And now, when you look at this menu, and again, I apologize, let me go $1.50 here. Sweet. All right. So yesterday you guys worked on a virtual field trip. Today is working on the dinner assignment. Now, the dinner, we talked about it, and I apologize if you missed all of this, but we talked about the importance of being able to do some research and to learn and to kind of seek out information, news articles that are worthy and are vetted and are trusted resources. So if this is helpful, here you go. You're being asked to try and pick a science article. Select an article that is interesting to you that addresses a problem in science. And I want you to think about the following. You've got what, so what, and now what. So to summarize the problem in the what portion, so we've got a problem, an issue, or concern, you're summarizing it. You're then going to explain in detail what is happening and what is causing it. Now, if the article doesn't explain what is causing this problem, you may have to go and search a little bit further on this. But the benefit of this is you're not running around a library. You're not running to all the shelves to open up books and find a page. You're just going to Google and you're typing things in, okay? But I'll kind of help you out that in a moment. Then, once you've got a problem or a concept you figured out, the so what portion. Why should we be concerned about the problem? What are the effects of this issue? And why do you personally care about this issue? So this is the important part. Why do you care about it? Should be the motivation for why you're learning about this. And then you should be able to go into maybe explaining why you think this is an issue we should be concerned about. And what are the effects of this issue? So you've got the what, the so what, and now we're heading to the third portion, the now what. So where do we go from here? Maybe the article gives you some solutions or it talks about ways that this could be addressed. Suggest several specific solutions to the problem from both a government, community perspective and an individual perspective. And so try and see if you can't go and delve into what can be done about this. So I'm going to maybe check out sciencenews.org. And that's just one of the first links. And so I'm checking out this website. And please notice, I'm a big fan of these .org websites because they focus on facts. They focus on news. They are not being paid to go and run particular articles. So, all right, look at right off the bat. Check this out. Even the deepest, coldest parts of the ocean are getting warmer. Hold on, let me get this out of here. All right, so even the deepest, coldest parts of the ocean are getting warmer. That might not seem like a problem, but I bet you it is. And so I'm going to click on that. So this happens to be the article I'm choosing. If you find this interesting, I say go for it. If you would rather search something else, by all means, this is your opportunity to experiment and explore on your own. So it says it's not yet clear if a small increase in temperature is the result of climate change. However, they are pointing out, though, that they now know that the deepest portions of the ocean are getting warmer. So we now know the what. The what part is that we've got an ocean depth that is warming. And as I read and skim through, I've got the increases have increased by 0.02 degrees Celsius over the last decade. The warming may be the consequence of human-driven climate change. So there's a potential for us now knowing what's causing this. It does point out it's still unclear since so little is known about the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. And so I'm going to skim and read through this article here. But continuing to monitor these sites and compare the records with data from the devices and other ocean basins may help to clarify matters. So now I know the what part. The deepest part of the oceans are warming. The potential cause is human-made climate change. That's a consequence that we're still not yet sure if they're directly connected, but a lot of evidence is showing that, but we need to go and just kind of point out that may be the main cause of it. So I'm basically trying to answer the what part. So summarize the problem, explain in detail. That was the 0.02 degrees and what's causing it. And like I said, it's highly likely, but it's not yet confirmed, but they're suggesting climate change. The so what? Why should we be concerned about this problem? I didn't find that in the article because I didn't finish reading the article, but that would be the next part that I look at. I try and figure out what is causing this and what are the effects of this issue. And then the now what portion, where do we go from here? What can be done about it? If the article doesn't suggest any solutions, but it gives you the issue of climate change as being the potential problem, there's a lot of things that can be done to address climate change. Being more conservative, using less energy, things of that nature. Being mindful on how we expend our resources and what we choose to do with our resources. Are we using them efficiently in efficient vehicles? Or, are we using efficient light bulbs? Are we heating our planet with a lot of fossil fuels? All these things are ways that you can address the now what. Again, that's based upon this article that we just happened to look at. So once you have those three things answered, make sure you go and put those three answers over here in your Google form underneath dinner. So what is one question you have? What is your article source? Actually, I should get rid of this. What is so the dinner entree is right there. Copy and paste the website. That goes right there. So you're going to copy the link and put that there. Summarize the problem. Here we go. Issue or concern. Explain in detail what is happening. The so what. Why should we be concerned about the problem? And what are the effects of this issue? Why do you personally care about this issue? And lastly, the now what, where do we go from here? So these three questions, we're trying to type in answers from after having read the article. And so, Miss, that is what we're working on. That is what we're doing. If you have any other questions, let me know. I know that wasn't very short, but I wanted to give you a video to maybe help you kind of see through this. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.